Hi everyone and welcome back to Tools and Gear. Today we want to talk about safety and safety equipment. Just a short video on what you should be buying and some examples of products that you can purchase, and we're going to be using Amazon as our purchasing site to get you a baseline for pricing. We'll have three different types of pricing. We'll have a low cost, a medium cost, and a high cost, depending on what type of safety gear you want to buy. So let's get into it. So here you can see this is our low cost. It gives you everything you need to protect your eyes, ears, and breathing, your nose and mouth. So it covers your three major safety factors. We're not going to talk about hard hats in this episode. That's a different topic. And for most DIY, you don't necessarily need a hard hat. So we're just focusing on those three major ears, mouth, and nose types of devices. So here is an RZ mask, and these are great because one, you can get them in the kits here. They come with an exterior mask and the interior filters. So it's a two-layered mask. It comes with a little bag. You can order the filters once you run out. The filters are a really good quality filter. You can get them if they're not in the bundle. You can get them that are equivalent to an N95. The nice thing about these ones is they go around your neck. They don't loop around your ears. So they're a little more comfortable. They're machine washable or hand washable. So they're easy to clean, and they're a really good purchase, especially for $40. And like I said, you can get the reusable or the disposable filters. The next thing is earplugs. So simple, basic earplug. We've used 3M as our example here. For $5, you get 7 pairs. So it's quite difficult to get a better deal than that. We'll have more options in our higher cost setups here for ears, but for your best bang for your buck, $5 for 7 pairs is pretty good, and you can get these at the pretty much any big box store as well. The next thing, and I know safety glasses are a huge industry. There's a million different types of safety glasses. We've gone again with 3M. There's they're a good quality company, and for $19, these are actually a really good set of glasses. They come with the a foam around them, so they're sealed type glasses. They're fairly comfortable to wear. And like I said, you get a good brand. Project Farm on YouTube actually has a really good video on him testing a bunch of different safety glasses, and he gives you his recommendations. We'll put a link below on that so people can view his video, and if they want to switch out these for another pair, that's totally up to you. So next, let's go into the we call it medium class of price points here. Again, we're sticking with the same safety glasses, but we're upgrading our earplugs for these 3M Worktunes Bluetooth earmuffs. There are ones that are not Bluetooth, but we found these ones seem to be the best deal online right now. They are noise canceling, and the added bonus of having the Bluetooth with the call integration for basically the same price as most other ones seem to be the best bang for your buck there. Instead of a regular type of face mask, we've upgraded to a respirator. And now these are a half respirator, so it allows you to wear your glasses and your hearing protection while using the respirator. And with this, you get the 3M particulate filters. So this is just kind of your next step up from your regular type disposable mask. It gives you a lot more filtration, and it covers your whole mouth, so it doesn't allow any things to get in or out from holes. It's got that seal around it. So for basically about double of what the low cost is, the benefits for this, depending on what you're doing, could be worth the upgrade to get your mask and a little bit better hearing protection. So now let's go into what I'd say is, if you want to go kind of all out for home and DIY, this is what you would get. Again, I've added the RZ mask back just in case you need it as an option. But what we've added down here, instead of the half respirator, we've got a full respirator. Now, this is good if you're doing anything up in attics that you don't want necessarily anything, you don't want to breathe in certain things, but you also don't want some in your eyes. So there's a lot of dust and debris, particularly in that example with attics, that this mask helps you out with. Again, it uses the same particulate filter as that half mask because it's a 3M, but you can also, and this is the same with the half mask as well, but we've upgraded this as well, so you have different options. This is a gas and vapor cartridge. So if you're doing, say, a lot of staining or paint work or anything where there's fumes, again, you can get the gas cartridges, and these will work on the half respirator as well. We've just added them into your kind of this package here to give you an example of what the price point is if you want to kind of go full out. We've switched out the 3M Worktunes earmuffs for this Honeywell brand, and the only reason is they're around the same price, but these ones are a little bit of a more slimmer profile. They're a little bit lighter. They don't have the Bluetooth, so it's kind of your dealer's choice at this point. We've chosen this for your higher end profile just because they're a little bit slimmer, and just to show a different option there. And then for safety glasses, because you're not necessarily going to wear your full face respirator all the time, we've upgraded to a DeWalt safety glasses. They almost look like a ski goggles kind of setup there, and they are a fully enclosed set of glasses. Nothing's going to get into them. They do have a earplug type adapter to them as well. So if you do want to switch from the earmuffs to an earplug, they have a custom setup for themselves. So this here gives you basically almost two solutions. One with the RZ mask and the safety goggles and the earmuffs, and the other one with the full face mask with the cartridges and the earmuffs for more, I guess, not necessarily dangerous situations, but something where you need a little more protection. So, and you can see that is reflected in the price there, where we've jumped up from, where we were back at $64 for kind of your basic kit there, and then for the more advanced kit we were 135, so almost double. And then if you want to go all out, then we're into the almost $400 range. The majority of that cost obviously is the full face respirator. So again, it's basically, if you need that type or think you're going to need that type of a setup, then this from what we've seen from the stores and online, this for this particular product is the best price on Amazon currently. Anything we've seen from any of the big box stores or anything else online is typically another $100 or more above that. So it's a really good deal on Amazon. So there you go. Some tips and tricks on safety and what equipment you should buy. And we recommend, obviously, if you're doing any sort of demo work or cutting, that you at least protect your your breathing, your ears, and your eyes at all times. Anyways, that's it for today, and we'll catch you on the next one.